guys, what's up? Today I just have a little package I'm gonna quickly unbox because I literally have school this morning. But yeah, I just got a little package of a Trolls item, another of course, and this is a really special one because it's Build-A-Bears, which I love the Build-A-Bear sort of stuff. And so yeah, I got this on Mercari. I'm a huge Mercari fan. And oh my gosh, they packaged it so cute. Can you guess what troll it is? Oh my goodness. This is the cutest freaking troll. Oh my gosh. What an adorable plushie. Like, seriously, when I saw this Build-A-Bear Cooper, I literally was like, I have to get one secondhand. Because I don't know what they did. They made his face so freaking kawaii. Like, he's so cute. Like, it's almost like he's, oh my gosh, I can't even, like, he's like a chibi form of him. I don't even know. But he is so cute. The stitching on Build-A-Bear is always amazing. And I think that's why I just especially love Build-A-Bear stuff. But yeah, he has little trolls. I believe this is probably Trolls 1. Yeah, not Trolls Band Together, but from Trolls 1 merchandise. His little Build-A-Bear on his paw. So he's probably like, you know, he's one of the many friends that you could buy with like Build-A-Bear accessories and stuff. So yeah, I love him. He's awesome. I love his hair, how they did his hair. Everything's so plush and soft. He has all his tags. Like, this is not even cut off, which usually I cut off, so. Yeah, he's super cute. I got him for like $15. And yeah, you can find him on Mercari. I like have found a few of him on Mercari, but besides that, I don't really see him. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. My little friend here, I adore him so much. So yeah, here's my new little Cooper. Say hi, everyone. But yeah, thanks for watching and have a great one.